You can access Excel via our Adobe panels, which will be available in Premiere, After Effects, InDesign, Illustrator, Photoshop, and Lightroom. You can log into Excel with the same credentials that you would log into the web interface with, and you're going to be able to navigate through the content in a toned-down version of the Excel application. Users can browse through their catalogs, they can preview the files before deciding that they want to bring them into the editor. If they're working remotely, users can set up a download path where the file is going to be downloaded, whereas when users are working on site, we'll directly import the file from the file system. Remote users can choose whether they want to download the high resolution or the proxy file, and they're also going to be able to work directly with the bins. A bin is essentially a project area where users can gather the footage that they need to use for a final edit or sequence, and they can generate this project in Excel and import it directly into Premiere. Once that bin finishes downloading, you're going to be able to find your subclips with the corresponding in and out points, the markers, and any other additional information that was added in Excel. We will bring over the clips to the timeline here, and users can then change the ending and starting point, as well as see all the markers that were added in Excel. We do not change the file names, so the proxies can always be relinked to the original media. And the editors can always change the ending and starting points because Excel does not actually modify our client's files. We will just bring it over with the in and out points.